Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a framing square for rafters. First, familiarize yourself with the square's two main parts, the body and the tongue. These are essential for accurate measurements and marking. Next, locate the rafter tables, which provide quick reference for common roof pitches. Understanding how to read the pitch scale is also crucial for determining the exact slope of your roof. This foundational knowledge will make all subsequent steps much clearer. Now, let's calculate your rafter length. Using the rafter table, find the length per foot of run for your specific roof pitch. Multiply this value by the total horizontal run of your rafter. Remember to subtract 1/2 of the ridge board's thickness from your total run measurement to ensure a snug fit. This method provides a precise length for your common rafters, saving you time and material. With your rafter length determined, it's time to mark the cuts. First, use the framing square to mark the plumb cut at the ridge, aligning with your chosen roof pitch. Next, lay out the bird's mouth cut, which allows the rafter to sit securely on the wall plate. Finally, mark the tail cut for your desired overhang. Precision here ensures a professional and structurally sound roof. Beyond common rafters, the framing square is invaluable for more complex layouts, such as hip and valley rafters. The tables on the square provide specific numbers for these, simplifying what might seem daunting. Always double-check your measurements and cuts to ensure structural integrity and a professional finish. For those looking to keep their workspace tidy, or just their home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This tool truly is a cornerstone for any serious builder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.